Yes, this is Vital Tutorial. Today we are going to be dealing with derivative of trigonometry, showing that the limit as theta approaching 0 of tan theta of sin theta over theta equals to 1, and the limit as theta approaching 0 of tan theta over theta equals to what? 1. Yes, I'm starting from this basic concept because I'm still dealing with what? The basic concept of what? Derivative. So before you can do this, you are going to draw a diagram. I'll be drawing the diagram, so you watch and I will explain. Let me draw it this part. Let me draw it here. You draw a cycle, and in the diagram of the cycle, there's always a point. I assume that this is my point, and don't forget that from here to here is your what? It's your radius, and from here to here is also another what? Radius. So the line is coming from here to meet this part and another, forming a what? A triangle with this what part. Don't forget we have a point here, so there's a line from here to this side. So here we call this place our what? Theta, and here from here to this part is another what? Radius. So from our name this place center O, and this place my A, this place my B, and this place my C. I hope you understand. So here I'll be considering what? We'll still be using the knowledge of what? SOHCAHTOA. Here, SOHCAHTOA means sine, opposite. Sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Cos is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. And what? Tan is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. But here we'll be considering what? Tan. We'll be considering what? Tan. We'll be considering tan. Here, if we have to consider tan, tan theta here. Tan theta is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Don't forget that this place will be represented as what? Angle what? 90. This place will be the what? Hypotenuse. The longest what? Line. The longest line. So here we are going to consider tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. Anywhere this angle is facing is the opposite, while anywhere this angle 90 is facing is the hypotenuse, while the last place it will be the what? Adjacent. So here is what? Opposite, which is what? Line AB. AB over what? Adjacent. And this part is my adjacent, while this OA is my what? Hypotenuse. So it is what? Opposite over what? Adjacent. So here I can make my AB the result of formula by saying AB is equals to R over what? Tan theta. R over what? Tan theta. R over what? Tan theta. So from there, but considering this diagram again, I'll bring out what? 3 things in this diagram. 3 things. Number 1, consider triangle. I'll be considering triangle. Let me put that part here. I'll be considering triangle OCB. Triangle OCB. Triangle OCB. Triangle OCB. Don't forget, under your what? Triangle. Under your what? Triangle. Under triangle, we have various formula for what? Calculating the area of a what? Triangle. We have various formula for calculating the area of what? Triangle. But here, this part, when it is like this, when you have an angle between them, we consider what? Half base. We have half base times what? Times height. But here it has angle what? Between the two sides. So it will be what? Half r times half. It will be r squared sine what? Sine theta. It's just like when you have something like this. Here you have your L, you have your M, and here you have your what? Theta. So it will be what? Half L sine theta. So here I'm having what? R. So it will be what? Half R. I mean the area of triangle OCB is what? Half r square sine theta. Half r square sine theta. So another thing here, I will consider what? The area of sector. The area of the sector OCB. This part OCB. This part OCB. Don't forget the area of the sector is nothing but theta over 360 times what? Pi r what? Square. Theta over 360 times pi r what? Square. So here we are considering what? Area of a sector. Area of a sector OCB, which is equals to what? Theta over 360 times pi r square. That is the second thing. And the third thing here is to consider the what? The area of triangle. Area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB, which is equals to area of triangle OAB, which is equals to what? Don't forget you are giving this is the height of the triangle. Why this place is the what? The base. So don't forget the area of a triangle that says the area of a triangle when the height is given and the base is given is what? Half base times what? Height. So this place will be what? Half r times what? Times AB, which is the what? The height. Times AB, which is the what? The height. But don't forget that here our AB is equal to what? R times theta. So I'll substitute R times theta for AB in this what? In this part for the area of what? Triangle OAB, which is equal to half R into what? Into R tan theta. Into R tan theta, which will be equals to half R times R is what? R squared tan theta. Now I want to show you some things again. What did I want to show you? Let's assume that theta is equals to what? 30. If theta is equals to 30 and our R is equals to 4, you agree with me that when you substitute for when you substitute sin theta is equals to what? Sin theta is nothing but what? 30. Taking theta to be equals to 30 and R to be equals to 4. If R is equals to 4, here we have 16 and here we will have what? We have our sin 30, which is 0.5 half, that is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 16, it will give us nothing but what? But 8. And 8 times 1 over 2, it will give us nothing but what? 4. Here, do same thing here. 30 over 360 times pi r what? Square, it will give us nothing but what? 4.18. 4.18. To give us nothing but 4.18. And here, if you do likewise, it will give us nothing but if you do likewise, here it will give us nothing but what? 4.62. 4.62. Now let's take a look at this critically. Let's think. This one is what? Is giving us 4. This one is giving us 4.18. This one is giving us what? 4.62. That shows that the area of triangle OCB is less than the area of a sector, and the area of a sector is less than the area of a triangle OAB. Let's get OCB, area of triangle OCB is less than the area of the sector OCB, that is this part. Don't forget, that shows that the area of the sector OCB is greater than the what? The area of the triangle OCB, and the area of triangle OAB is greater than the area of the sector OCB, and is the area of the sector OCB is greater than the what? The area of the triangle OCB. I hope you are following. If you take a look at this number that we are having, we have this one to be 4. That is, guys, area of the triangle OCB to be 4. While the area of the sector OCB is what? 4.18, and the area of the triangle OAB is what? It's nothing but half r squared tan theta. So let's interpret this. So I would like to rub off this part. So the area of the triangle OCB, the area of the triangle, let me rub off this part. So the conclusion there, let's interpret this. It means that the area, sorry, I'm drawing triangle. The area of triangle OCB is less than the area of the sector OCB, and the area of the sector OCB is less than area of the triangle OAB. And what is the area of the triangle OCB? Area of the triangle OCB is nothing but, I've already interpreted that before, so just put the parameters. Area of the triangle OCB is nothing but what? Half arrow square sine what? Sine theta. Half arrow square sine theta less than area of the sector theta over 3 what? 360 times what? Times pi arrow what? Square, less than area of triangle OAB is nothing but what? Don't forget, we substituted for theta, then we substituted for AB, so it will be what? Half arrow square times what? Times theta. So here you will see that we have half for area of triangle OCB is nothing but what? Half arrow square sin theta, and here is nothing but what? The area of the sector, the area of the sector OCB is nothing but theta over 360 times pi arrow square, and the area of triangle OAB is nothing but what? Half arrow square times theta. So let's go. Now here I can multiply 2 by 2. I can multiply 2 by 2. By 2. If I multiply 2 by 2, it means that this one, it will be what? 2 times multiply 2 by 2. Let me multiply 2 by 2. Multiply 2 by 2. It means this one will be 2 into half arrow square sine theta less than 2 into theta over 360 by arrow square less than 2 into 1 all over 2 arrow square times theta. So yeah, it means that 2 we cancel out 2 because 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 all over 2 is what? 1. I'll be left with what? I'll be left with arrow square sine theta less than, here 2 here 1, 2 here is what? Nothing but 180. So which will be what? Theta all over what? 180 by arrow what? Square less than 2, we cancel 2, then I'll be left with what? Arrow square tan theta. So here, don't forget that your pi is always taken as what? 180. So if pi is taken as 180, it means that pi will cancel out 180. So pi cancel out 180. Then it means that we'll be left with arrow square sine theta less than theta arrow square less than arrow square tan theta. So it means that, yeah, if you look at this, we have arrow square sine theta less than theta arrow square less than arrow square tan theta. Yeah, there's something that is common. We still have r. We have r. We have r square. We have arrow square. We have arrow square. So we can what? We can divide through by arrow square. If I divide through by arrow square, then it means that arrow square over sine theta over arrow square less than theta over arrow square less than arrow square tan theta over what? Arrow square. So arrow square cancel out arrow square. Arrow square will cancel out arrow square. Arrow square will cancel out what? Arrow square. So we'll be left with what? We'll be left with sin theta less than theta less than tan what? Tan theta. So here, this is what we are going to be using to prove the limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta equals to 1, and the limit as theta approaching 0 of tan theta over theta equals to what? 1. So I'll be cleaning off this part. Don't mind my duster. Yes. Anyhow, we must learn. Anyhow, we must write it. Sometimes we must use chalk. Sometimes you see me, I may use what? Marker. So just take it like that. Anyhow, we must learn. As far as learning is concerned. So yeah, we have sin theta greater than what? Theta all over what? Sin theta less than what? Tan theta. Yeah, I'll be dividing through by sin theta first. If I divide through by sin theta, I'll be rubbing off this part. I'll divide through by sin theta. So it will be sin theta over sin theta less than theta over sin theta less than tan theta over what? Sin theta. So it means that sin theta will cancel out sin theta, and I'll be left with what? 1 less than sin theta, theta over sin theta less than tan theta over what? Sin theta. But don't forget that tan theta is what? Tan theta is equals to sin theta over what? Cos theta. So if tan theta is equals to sin theta over cos theta, and sin theta over cos theta divided by sin theta divided by what? Sin theta. It means that your sin theta over cos theta will be equals to, don't forget that this one will change to what? Multiplication. Then it will be what? 1 all over what? Sin theta. So sin theta will cancel out sin theta. Then we'll be left with what? 1 all over what? Cos theta. Yes. Now the next thing is for is us to take what? The reciprocal. And in the process of taking the reciprocals, the sign of the what? Of the sign we what? We change from less than to what? Greater than. The sign we change. The sign of the inequality we change. Two things. If you are taking the reciprocal, the sign of the inequality will change. And if you are also dividing by what? Negative, the sign of the inequality will change. So take note of that. So taking the what? The reciprocal. Let me write this. Taking the reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, when we say 5, take when we have 5 and we have to take the reciprocal of 5, it means it will be what? 1 all over 5. So when we have 6 and we have to take the reciprocal of 6, it means it will be what? 1 all over 6. So yeah, if we take the reciprocal, this one will still be what? 1 all over 1 greater than. If we are taking the reciprocal of this, it means, let me do this. Maybe I should do it like in a way that you will understand. If you take the reciprocal, it means add 1 all over. This one will be 1 all over greater than, because we are taking the reciprocal, the sign will what? Change. The sign of the inequality will change. So this one will be 1 all over what? Theta over what? Sin theta greater than 1 all over what? Cos theta. So if you are doing this, if I should solve this out, 1 divided by sin theta all over sin theta, it means this one will change to multiplication, while this one will come up, while this one will goes down. So it will be 1 multiplied by sin theta over what? Over theta. So it will be 1 sin theta, which is what? Sin theta over what? Theta. So this one will be what? 1 all over. This one will be 1 divided by 1 is what? 1. Greater than what? This one will be what? Sin theta over what? Theta. This one, same thing, will be what? Cos theta. So here I can what? Take the limit as theta is approaching what? 0. If I should take the limit as theta is approaching 0, the limit as theta is approaching 0, but I will take the limit as theta is approaching 0 of everything here. So the limit as theta approaching 0, as theta approaching 0 greater than what? The limit as theta approaching 0 of what? Sin theta over what? Theta is greater than the limit as theta is approaching 0 of what? Cos theta. It means that anyway I see theta, I'll put what? I'll substitute 0 there. And if you are in an equation and if you do not see theta, you are seeing 1, you are seeing constant, leave the number like that. The limit as theta approaching 0 of this one is what? 1. So here that will be what? 1 greater than the limit as theta approaching what? 0 of sin theta over theta greater than what? The limit as theta approaching 0. Anyway I see theta, I'll put 0, I'll substitute 0 here to what? Cos 0. And don't forget that your cos 0 is what? 1. So it will be 1 greater than limit as theta approaching 0 of what? Sin theta over theta greater than what? 1. Now let's analyze this. Let's analyze this. 1 greater than the limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta. Now here there is something in inequality. Here I will just read it like this and what? Like this. Limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta less than 1 and limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta greater than 1. Let's assume that you are greater than 1 and you are also less than 1. What do they mean by that? That shows that you are equals to what? 1. You are less than 1. I am less than 1 and I am also greater than 1. What do you mean by that? I am less than 1. I am also greater than 1. It means that I am what? Equals to 1. So here the limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta is less than what? 1 and is also what? Greater than 1. Therefore that shows that the limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta is nothing but 1. So limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over what? Theta is equals to what? 1. This one is the what? The proof of what? Sin theta. The limit as theta approaching 0 of sin theta over theta equals to 1. So the second part, I'll still be using this thing, this part here, to explain that. So just the same process. I hope you are enjoying the class. If you really enjoy the class, you will do that by what? By liking the what? The video and you what? Comment. So here I'm still using what? This equation that is still here. Here is still what? Sin theta over sin theta less than theta less than tan theta. Yeah. At that first part, I said let me divide by what? Sin theta. But here I'll be dividing by what? Tan theta. I'll be dividing by tan theta. So here if I divide by tan theta, it will be what? Sin theta over what? Tan theta less than theta over tan theta less than tan theta over what? Tan theta. Don't forget that sin theta over tan theta. Let me do that here. Sin theta. Don't forget that your tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta divided by this. It means sin theta divided by tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta over what? Cos theta. Sin theta over cos theta. So here sin theta, this one will change to multiplication provided that this one goes up while this one comes down to be what? Multiplied by what? Cos theta over what? Sin theta. So sin theta will cancel out sin theta. Then I'll be left with what? Cos theta. Means everything here is what? Cos theta less than theta over what? Tan theta less than what? 1. Because tan theta over theta is nothing but what? 1. So here I can take the limit now. I'll take the limit as theta is approaching what? 0. So if I take the limit as theta is approaching 0 of cos theta less than limit as theta approaching 0 of theta all over tan theta less than 1, less than limit as theta approaching 0 of what? Of 1. Is this correct? Look, take a look. Is this correct? If you check the previous one that I did, I take the what? Reciprocal before this, just to show you are following. No, never do this. So here I'll take the what? The reciprocal. Follow it step by step. Follow it accordingly. So taking what? The reciprocal. I'll not be writing that again. Taking the reciprocal. And not forget, if you are taking the reciprocal, it will affect the what? The sign of the inequality. So here, this one will be what? 1 all over what? Cos theta. 1 all over cos theta greater and tan theta all over what? Theta greater than 1 all over what? 1. So from here I can take the limit. Yes, that is correct. So here I can take the limit. I'm writing this back here. So here I'll take the limit as theta approaching 0 of 1 all over what? Cos theta greater than limit as theta approaching 0 of what? Tan theta over what? Theta greater than what? The limit as theta approaching what? 0. Don't forget that 1 all over 1 is always what? 1. So here the limit as theta approaching 0, anywhere I see theta I'll put what? 0. But I will leave what? Limit as theta approaching of tan theta over theta, because that's what I want to prove and that's what I want to show. So here it will be what? It will be what? It means I'll substitute the limit as theta approaching 0. It means anywhere I see theta I'll put what? 0. So here it will be 1 all over what? Cos 0 greater than the limit as what? Theta approaching what? 0 of tan theta all over what? Theta greater than what? Greater than 1. So here, this part is 0. This part is 0. Substitute 0 for what? Theta. Yeah. So don't forget that your cos 0 is always what? 1. So it will be 1 greater than the limit as theta approaching to what? 0 of tan theta over theta greater than what? 1. Same thing, same rule. Come back to this place. Limit as theta approaching 0 of tan theta over theta less than 1 and greater than 1 it means that the limit as theta approaching 0 of tan theta over theta is still what? Equals to 1. You are less than 1 and you are greater than 1. It means you are what? 1. Tan theta over theta is equal to what? 1. So here shows the what? The proof. That this is how to do it. So I encourage you, or I urge you to what? To like, comment, and what? Share the links. This is what? Vital tutorial. No panic here at all. Your solution is right here. Thanks.